Thank you all for coming. We are here to mourn the loss of a one
Who died?
Jamildred Smith.
Who?
Jamildred Smith.
This isn't the car convention?
Do you have a garage?
No and no.
Oh, okay. By the way, not all cars are visible.
Whoa. Yeah, man. Every car is visible, bro.
Not the Lexus 5.0, completely invisible.
There's a difference between stealth and opaque.
Yeah, sequestered means invisible, and the other thing is a dark tone in the Phantom of the Opera.
You're on my side now?
Do you know that roasted sand is just glass?
How? Invisisand?
That's copyrighted.
How? Alexis is a brand we shouldn't say?
Does anybody here know Jamildred Smith?
Wait, this is the gun convention?
It could be.
This is a funeral.
Why wasn't I invited?
Wait, this isn't dining room B?
What happened to dining room A?
Can I buy a vowel?
A is not a vowel.
Can I read the eulogy? Does anyone want to hear it?
Did she like guns?
When does a buffet open?
I need a new muffler. Mine makes a. Noise.
It didn't make a noise.
Who exactly is this sketch for? My car has never seen flames.
Get out. Get out now. You're not like us. Go to dining room E.
But my car has never... It's still got damage from the flambe convention.
I don't give a crap. Just go. Gathered here today to mourn the loss of a one Jamildred Smith. Though pale in complexion and mute in walnuts. A life lived not quite to its fullest, but almost.
Where is dining room E?
Jamildred died in the most honorable way possible.
Car racing.
No, kicking and screaming in an air-conditioned hotel lobby.
The second most honorable way to die.
Indeed.
I found dining room F. Along with a fire extinguisher.
Oh, yeast we forget the long lines at Costco. Or the patrons smashing their heads against the plate glass windows in hopes of getting in early. Jamildred, you will always be remembered.
There's a car in here.
Keep going. This is an incomplete sentence, and this is her dying wish. To breed rats in the sub-sewer systems of New York, wearing tiny hats. I don't know, man.